Hello, this is a video tour of 281 Clara. We're at the exterior of the building here, located in Soma. This unit comes with one-car parking as well as in-unit laundry. Okay, so let's enter the building. Okay, so right as you enter, to the left is the call box. Mailboxes are tucked away here to the right as you walk in. And we're going to take the stairs up to tour unit number 4. This is a very spacious condo with lots of natural light, and it is very quiet as well. Okay, so this is the level that we're at. Unit number 4 is over here to the left. You walk into this nice big open space, but we're going to come to that a little bit later. I'm first going to start this tour off towards the back here. This is used as a home office, or it could be used as a second bedroom. You have direct access to a private patio. You also have a second doorway here that takes you into the unit from the back side. Okay, nice long wall of cabinets and shelving. Here is a bathroom here. You have your toilet and sink. There's also stackable laundry machines. It's very convenient to have in your unit. Coat closet. Now this unit can be delivered furnished or unfurnished. Here's the kitchen. You have a nice refrigerator. There's your sink, gas range, microwave, and there is a dishwasher as well. Formal dining room. And the room is separated by a lovely spiral staircase. But this is a very open and flexible floor plan. There's a fireplace that works. Nice big living room with tall ceilings. And you have access to the patio from here as well. Okay, so this is the lower level. And we're going to head on up to the upper level via the spiral staircase. There you'll find the master bedroom, huge amounts of closets, and a bonus room, which is perfect for a home office. Okay, so here is the bedroom. It is very spacious. Lots of windows. Full bathroom here. Beautiful bathtub, which is separate from your shower. And back into the bedroom here. So this back wall is full of closet and storage space. I'll show you one section here. And this goes all the way down the hallway, so there's plenty of closet space here. And this is the bonus room. This would be a perfect office for those of you who are still working from home. Okay, if you're interested in this wonderful space, please go to rentals nsf.com. Thanks and have a great day.